Oh, you're gonna get 6? Yeah. No problem. That's in. I'll do 60 on. Oh, okay.
All right.
Hi, welcome to Sabamba Alpaca Open House. I'm Al, Comday pilot, over 3,000 barns and poems. Here we go. Everyone in Wisconsin is familiar with corn this time of year. Corn is everywhere.
Right.
This is called Enchanted, Haunted, or True. The corn stalks me. Sometimes I have no words. I'm at a loss to ponder. How can the sky fall in wonder? Merging purple haze, all the corn looks like a maze. Roundabout surged. Is it God's thunder rolling in? God's thunder rolling in, showing us the corn Rembrandts of nature's opulence? These are not my words. As the corn stalks me, you see, the corn talks to me. The corn talks to me because it teaches me these cornfields are the fields of dreams. The corn stalks me, enchanted, haunted, or true. I am that I am. How about you?
Oh, great job. Oh, so
And then people buy coasters. They're $12 each or 4 for $10. You get a set of 4 coasters.
got it.
And I've got over 3,000 quality barns. It's
So
crazy.
if somebody from my YouTube channel followers want to go find you, where can
Yes.
they find you?
Right now, go to Alan Kowaleski on Facebook, AlanKowaleski. I'm on Forgotten Wisconsin,
Oh,
Old Barn Photography, both on Facebook. Got a great following, love people, we all share. And the other one is Old Barns Project. And I'm starting my YouTube channel next week.
oh, good for you.
I'm really good at poems and photography, but the high-tech stuff I'm a little slow at. But after 3,000 poems, I got to continue getting them online.
I do follow you on Forgotten Wisconsin.
Okay,
I am
good.
one of them.
Oh, you are?
Yes,
so
I
you're
am.
aware of that?
Beautiful.
Oh, good,
So
good.
that I didn't know that was you.
That's me.
Oh,
I'm better looking than the picture, right? Yes.
and just so you know, I have a YouTube channel,
Great.
Jessica Sinna in Wisconsin.
Well, we need to interview each other.
We do,
Get
we
me
do,
on.
so we can get you followers.
Well, guess what? I'm going to give you a gift right now.
You are?
Do you
Oh
like
my God!
cows, or do you like barns or flowers?
I like barns.
Barns, okay.
I do.
I'm going to give you this one. This is probably one of my favorites. You can have your choice.
I
That's the
can-
whole thing is
oh
choice.
my.
This one is an old barn with a silo. And the barn was built in 1885.
Okay.
The silo was added a little bit later.
Okay.
And this is in Marquette County. This one is in Waupaca County, right on the
my.
corner of Waupaca and Waushara. And this barn was built in like 1865,
Wow.
pre-Civil War.
Pre-civil. Wow.
And it's on Highway E, coming between Red Granite and Waupaca. But what I like about this picture is I'm standing there snapping and taking pictures of the barn, and the sun's up above, and I'm like, is that sun going to hit the windmill? And I'm standing there, and it got
And it
really
did.
quiet. The crows started cawing, and the sun went between the windmill, and I kid you not, it started to creak.
Really?
And so this is a special barn for me.
Then I'll take
You'll
that
take
one.
that one?
Yeah, I'll take that one.
And a hug.
Oh, of course. Oh, you're very kind. Thank you.
Thank you.
So I'll definitely do the interview, especially if you're gonna start your channel, and I'll let you know which one is mine too. So
Yeah. And then I'll give you my email, or you can send that to me.
sure.
Okay, we're back at the Sabamba Alpaca farm, and this is Pat. Pat came by, and she's enjoying it, and I'm going to read her a poem because I print my pictures of barns on poems, over 3,000 of them. And I drove past this old barn falling down and all the wild flowers, and my heart stopped, and I backed up, and in 90 seconds, these words came out. An essence of ease came into play. Pat, did you ever feel that way? An essence of ease came into play as I sat in the wild weeds and flowers today. What's a weed or what's a flower? Whispered the old barn between the bouncing bees collecting nectar. I smiled in reply, why, the power of its usefulness, of course. Then a gentle breeze carried his voice between those old loose boards and cracks in his wall. His reply was, you must be an old farmer, so always listen to your ease.
So beautiful. calming.
That is so touching.
Just calming. It just,
Oh,
I've done them for nursing homes and other groups of people, and I do 45 minutes to an hour. You can hear a pin drop.
really? Wow, it's just beautiful.
yeah, your voice, the words engage just the soul. It just,
Yeah,
yeah.
that's good.
Oh,
Thanks, guys.
thank you.